Girl, if you don't know how to style your mini twist, you're honestly not using it to their full potential. But don't worry, I've got you. I'm going to be showing you how to style your mini twist hairstyle. Hi favorites, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to make mini twists. Now this is my first one for the year 2026 and I am super excited. We're going to be making use of the extension from QVR. This is not our first or second time using them. The extension is that good. I'm making use of 5 packs of the Kinky, and the best way to make use of this is to separate them beforehand. So separate them into different pieces you're going to be making use of before doing it. It's going to make the job faster and easier. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Favor EK and I am super excited to have you here. And if you're my old subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for clicking and thank you for supporting. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, please. That is going to encourage me and is going to boost this video as well. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the comment section. So I'm going to be telling you how I told my hairstylist to make the hair. This is not my first time doing this, neither is it my 5th time making use of human hair to make my hair. So I'm going to be telling you some things you should look out for and some things you should do. Now for this, I told her to make the back, the front and the sides to be knotless braids. Now that's my hack. So she made the back and the front knotless, so it's going to appear like, you know, knotless braids, but then the middle parts are box braids. I'm not a fan of sitting for so long to make my hair, and it was surprising how we didn't waste so much time making this hair because this extension is super easy to use, and with this method she does not have to feed in every single time. We both know with knotless you have to feed in about 3 times before you start twisting. After making the front, back and sides as knotless, it was easier to just make box braids in the middle, and that made us finish on time.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have
For this style, we're making use of 20 inches, which is long. I have tried 18 inches and 18 inches is also beautiful. So if you're considering, you can try 20 inches or 18 inches. Both are fine. Another thing with this style is that it is so painless. Now, while the person is twisting, of course it's going to pain you if you're not holding the tip of the hair. But once you hold the tip of the hair, trust me when I say you will feel no pain, even after making the hair. This is such a nice protective style. You can carry this style for up to 2 months. Yes, if your hairstylist makes it well, you can carry this hair for 2 months if you're a fan of carrying your hair for a long period of time. But then for me, I'm a hair influencer, so I had to take this down after 1. For the front, I only made use of edge control to part the middle line to make sure that middle line is sleek and straight. Okay, so I'm not a fan of making use of edge control throughout my head. If the braids demand I make use of edge control, I use it, but for this one I only made use of it to part the front of the hair.
You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. You don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Everything was already coming together at this point and I was loving my hair. Like, I could see the facelift and I loved it. Let me tell you another reason why you should try human hair extension. 1, you can make use of this over and over again. This is human hair we're talking about. After making use of the first one, go to a good salon where they will take it down easily and then you store it for the next time you're going to make your hair. Just make sure you're arranging them so it's going to be easy to use the next time. This is washable. You can wash this on your head or you can wash it after taking it down. Now you can wash it on your hair because it's almost like you using your own hair to twist your hair. It's human hair, okay? You can wash the hair making use of shampoo, but make sure you dry it afterwards. And the good thing about this extension is that it dries easily. You don't have to be scared that it's going to be damp. It dries super fast.
You can do whatever you like.
Now, after making the twist, this is one of my favorite parts where, we tame the hair and make it look even better, for people to wonder, is this your hair or is this an extension? Now, how are you going to do that? You're going to need water in a spray bottle. Spray it generously, okay? Spray it on every part of the twist, and then after doing that, walk your hands through it, to get rid of excess hairs at the bottom part. Then after doing that, I go ahead to trim it. Also, after doing that, I go ahead with my mousse.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're...
Now you can decide to make use of water and mousse, or you can just use water and that is fine. Now the mousse just helps tame it better, it makes it more fluffy, and it makes the twist stay put for a longer period of time. So do this and you're good to go. Note, I don't do this every morning. Most mornings I only make use of water in my spray bottle. I do not use mousse every day because it can also dry out your hair.
Without telling you this now, I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
At this point, we are done with the maintenance. That is all I do for maintaining the hair. And this is what it's looking like. Can you see how free it is? Can you see how I don't even know the words to describe, but this is so pretty. I do hope you try out a human hair kinky because you're not going to regret it. Right now, this is time for my edges. I always leave little hair in front and by the sides for my edges. I do not joke with that. Guess what time it is? It is styling time. I can't wait to show you some styles I was able to create with this. In fact, the videos did well on TikTok and Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you the detailed tutorials for those who asked and commented on those videos. So favorites, at this point, I'm going to keep quiet and let you enjoy the rest of the video. So if you want it to go faster, just hold the right part of your screen and it's going to fast forward by 2 times. Okay, so I do love you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment for me if you like this style, or if there's a style you like. I did. Just let me know your favorite hairstyle I tried, and let me know if you're going to try mini twist. Can't wait to see you in the comment section, and do keep on watching. my favorite. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till this point. You guys, I love you so much. Bye, and see you in my next video.